it's Sherry from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today with the 2025 Liberty Box from Fat Quarter Shop. I love these seasonal boxes that Fat Quarter Shop does. I'm excited to share the contents with you of this year's box. It has some great fabrics and some fun items, and it's sure to jumpstart your summer sewing. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm always super excited when Fat Quarter Shop offers to send me one of their specialty boxes. So the 2025 limited edition Liberty Box is no different. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. This is included with every box. It's a little pamphlet that tells you about all the products. This time the fabric is called Stars and Stripes Forever, and it's a Riley Blake collection, and perfect for your 4th of July sewing. There's a red and a blue with that plaid, diagonal plaid, and then these little like Uncle Sam hats, and then some red stars on white, and then white stars on red. Super cute flags with a lighter blue background and a navy background. And then some stars that look kind of like fireworks, and a bigger firework print on white and the light blue and the red. And then the focus print has some little maps and flowers and fireworks and vintage trucks, just a whole bunch of fun summery designs. So super fun fabrics there. I love this charm. It's a flag, very, very cute. You could put it on a bag or a keychain, whichever you want. Love that. And it is a Lori Holt charm too. Let's see. Blue thread, just the perfect color to coordinate with the fabric. And this is by Superior Threads, and it's Superior Pima Cotton, 100% Pima Cotton thread. Can't go wrong with that. This I thought was super cute. This is an insulated little bag. And it has a little handle, so you could use it for really anybody, for yourself, just to keep some drinks and snacks cool, or I'm sure kids would love it too. And then finally, last but not least, there is a Stars and Stripes mini cutting mat. I do love these little cutting mats from Fat Quarter Shop. They're always a great size, and they are double-sided. This side is blue, and then we've got the red and white stripes. I've just returned from several retreats, and these are so handy to have with you just for when you need to do a little bit of trimming. And then finally, there is also an exclusive pattern, the Gleaming pattern, which is the 2025 Liberty Box exclusive pattern. I did get an email about this, that there is a pattern correction, so be sure to check the Fat Quarter Shop website for that pattern correction if you're going to make this pattern with your fabrics. And I believe that they also have a finishing kit for this. You'd probably need to get those sooner than later, as they usually sell out. But another great Liberty Box from Fat Quarter Shop with lots of fun patterns and notions to inspire your summer sewing. Okay, so that's it for the July 2025 Liberty Box from Fat Quarter Shop. Such a great box as always. I loved all of the products. Look for the boxes at the link in our description, and also there might be a finishing kit still available for the quilt that's included. Such a great box, and I think some of the products might also be available a la carte. So if they are, I'll also put those links in the description below. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.